Systems online. Activating AI reconstruction.
Initiating rebuild sequence. Robotic arms engaging. Alignment is perfect. Proceed. Confirm. Next block. Crane 1, lift block A to level 3. Perfect alignment. Secure and proceed. Crane 1, lift block A to level 3. Perfect alignment. Secure and proceed. Engage robotic systems. Position defensive structures on the arch. Alignment perfect. Lock it in.
Initiating climate stabilization.
Dust clouds are clearing.
Visibility enhanced. The city is revealed.
Inserting the carbon fiber rod now securing with the steel anchor. Alignment is good, tighten it down. Initiate integration on this torch. Pathway light syncing now. Excellent. The depth is enhanced.
Initiating dust clearance and airflow regulation.
Level stabilizing. Visibility achieved. The city's beauty is revealed.
All systems are synchronizing now.
Roads, amends, and structures are at 98%.
Units, align the columns precisely. Perfect. Now secure the chamber details. Insert the composite strip here, holding steady. Now drill and secure, tightening bracket. Final systems deploying now.
Air purifiers and dust controls online.
Climate balance activating. City is stable.
Initiating full system activation. Restoration complete. Performance optimal.
Confirmed. Structure 99.8% stable. Initiating full stress test. Water structures are as go. Ground stability is holding. All systems are green. Confirmed. Test complete.
Initiate final micro adjustments. Drones deployed. Cleaning protocol active. Perfect. Polish and refine all surfaces.